again. You know, this is the Valentine special. Valentine week, you know, we're going to come with something different because this is the Jamaican Mixmaster channel. Alright guys, first of all, I want to say thanks for this wonderful gift. It was a special gift. It was sponsored by Jesse Reese. Anywhere you are in the United States, big up yourself and thank you for the sponsor of these wonderful gifts to my channel. I want to take time out to say it's a privilege to have these special gifts. Thank you, my friend. Big up yourself. Anywhere you are in the United States, big up yourself. You should be here having a drink with me. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're coming out with this Valentine's Day drink. All right. So stay tuned. See it, you know. We're coming with it. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. See, we're just coming with a Valentine cocktail made with champagne. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop it. Who like the sound of champagne? Tell me. Some people pop it and spray it, but I'm not going to spray myself with it. I'm just going to pop it. Who like the sound? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. You see that? Happy Valentine's Day. So what we're going to do, we're going to just pour some champagne in the mixing can. And we're going to add, oh Jesus, some whiskey. 40 creek. They say when you have this, it make you go creak creak. I'm not sure. But let's see. Add a little bit of whiskey. That's like 1.5 ounces. And then we're gonna add some cherry syrup. Some people call it grenadine. Cherry syrup. Simple, easy. Wow, you hear the sound of that? And I'm gonna give it a nice stir. So this is 40% alcohol. Yes, guys, 40%. And the champagne is just about right. So we got 80% here. Oh, somebody will be spending a nice Valentine Day with this drink. This is very nice. You should try this, guys. It's very simple. Champagne, any whiskey of your choice, but I'm using this 40 Creek whiskey. And some strawberry syrup or cherry syrup of your choice. All right, guys, this is a simple drink. So stay tuned. We're coming with the display. You know, we don't play no day. So you see the display of that drink. Very simple, very easy. That drink will get you going. For Valentine, I want to say thank you for watching this video. And you just know what to do. You like, share, leave a great comment on this video as well. And thanks for my sponsor for those glass. We got more to come, but we're not going to show you everything. So stay tuned for next week when we come out with another cracker. This is the Jamaican Mixmaster. We are going to make sure that you get a video every time. So stay tuned, guys, for next week with another cracker. I'm out.